Do you need a place with enough land where you can bring your horse and all your other toys? Today, I'm going to show you a place in South Titusville where you can do just that. Stick around. What's up, guys? Welcome to our newest listing in South Titusville. We are at 2645 Gator Trail in Windover Farms. Come inside, let me show you around. This house features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and it's just over 2,400 square feet. And the best part, it's on 1.25 acre and it's got a place for your horse. But before we go out there, let's go through the dining room and check out the kitchen. All right, before we go outside and check out the stable and tack room, let me show you the bedrooms. Follow me this way. All right, this wing of the house features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. I'm gonna show you the master first. Let's go take a look. All right, take a look at the full bathroom in these 2 bedrooms before we head outside. All right, this is one of my favorite rooms in the house. Check out this fireplace. All right, now we're gonna go check out the final room before we go outside. This was actually set up as bedroom number 4, but it would be a great office or just secondary living space. Let's go check it out. All right, follow me outside. This property has so much to offer on the 1.2 acres. There's so much you can do to really take advantage of this Florida lifestyle with so much outdoor living space. Come check this out. All right, if your horse is part of your family, then this is what you've been wanting to see. We've got a 1-horse stable and a tack room with full utilities. All right, guys, that wraps up our tour of 2645 Gator Trail in Titusville. I enjoyed showing you around the property. Listen, if you're interested in this home or really anything else with acreage in Central Florida or the Space Coast, hit us up, let us know. We would love to hear from you. Our contact information is in the description down below. You can call, text, or email us. For now, that's all I got. We're gonna take the drone up in the air, give you a quick fly over the property. I'll see you guys next time.